How to install GTA San Andreas on your Android device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can install GTA San Andreas in your mobile device. So let's jump right into it. First of all, make sure your device is updated to its latest version. Sometimes older version phones might not be able to support your games. Now, after you've done that, head over to your Google Play Store, locate the app, and then open it up. After you've done that, head over to the search section and simply search for GTA San Andreas. After you do that, you'll find the Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Open that up, and there you can see it costs around $7. So tap on it and start with the buying process, where you might have to add a credit card or a debit card. So add those in, and then you will be able to buy the game. After you buy the game, you should be able to play it like you do in your laptop or your PC. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.